Students, our next topic is Bohr magneton or magnetic dipole moment of an atom due to revolving electron. In every atom, electrons revolve around the nucleus. A revolving electron is like a loop of current which has a definite magnetic dipole moment. When electron revolves in anti-clockwise direction, the equivalent current is clockwise. Therefore, the upper face of this current loop behave like south pole and lower face behave like north pole. Therefore, an atom behave like a magnetic dipole. If E is the charge on an electron revolving in an orbit of radius r with a uniform angular velocity omega, then equivalent current I is equal to rate of flow of charge. Rate of flow of charge is total charge flown upon total time taken. Charge is E and time taken is T. Here T is equal to period of revolution of electron, that is time taken by the electron to complete one revolution. As angular velocity is given by 2 pi upon t, taking t to left hand side and omega to right hand side, t is equal to 2 pi upon omega. Therefore, in this equation, we put in place of t 2 pi upon omega. Therefore, I is equal to E upon 2 pi upon omega. Taking omega to upper side, this become E omega upon 2 pi. Now the area of the orbit is pi r square, where r is the radius of the orbit. Now magnetic dipole moment of the atom, this is given by m is equal to Ia. I is the current flowing through the loop and A is the area enclosed by the loop. Because the electron is revolving in a circular orbit which behaves like a current loop. Therefore magnetic dipole moment is m is equal to I into A. In place of I we put E omega upon 2 pi, and in place of A we put pi r square. On solving this become 1 upon 2 E omega r square. According to Bohr's theory, an electron in an atom can revolve only in certain stationary orbits in which angular momentum of revolving electron is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi, where h is Planck's constant. As the angular momentum of revolving electron is given by mvr, therefore mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 denotes the number of orbit. As v is equal to r omega, therefore putting in place of v r omega, we get m into r omega into r is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Therefore this becomes m omega r square is equal to nh upon 2 pi, or omega r square is equal to nh upon 2 pi m, because m goes to right hand side. When m goes to right hand side, this goes to denominator. Therefore putting omega r square is equal to nh upon 2 pi m in the equation 1, we get 1 up, m is equal to 1 upon 2 e omega r square. Putting in place of omega r square nh upon 2 pi m, we get 1 upon 2 into e into nh upon 2 pi m. On rearranging this become n into eh upon 4 pi m, or we can write m is equal to n mu b, where mu b is equal to eh upon 4 pi m. Therefore from this equation we see that magnetic moment of an atom is quantized, having value 1 mu b, 2 mu b, 3 mu b and so on. When n is equal to 1, then m is equal to 1 mu b. If n is equal to 2, m is equal to 2 mu b. If n is equal to 3, then 3 mu b. Therefore magnetic moment of atom is quantized, having value 1 mu b, 2 mu b, 3 mu b and so on, where mu b is the least value of atomic dipole moment. This is called Bohr magneton. Value of Bohr magneton is mu b is equal to eh upon 4 pi m. As the value of E, charge on electron, is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Value of H, Planck's constant, is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. 4, value of pi is 3.14, or we can write 22 upon 7. Value of M, which is the mass of electron, this is 9 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kilogram. On solving this become mu b is equal to 9.27 into 10 raised to power minus 24 ampere meter square. Therefore Bohr magneton is the minimum magnetic dipole moment associated with an atom due to orbital motion of an electron in first stationary orbit of the atom. Bohr magneton is the minimum magnetic dipole moment associated with an atom due to orbital motion of an electron in first stationary orbit of the atom. Therefore, was Bohr magneton or magnetic dipole moment of an atom due to revolving electron. Now, define another term, gyromagnetic ratio of electron. Gyromagnetic ratio of electron is the ratio of magnetic moment and angular momentum. Magnetic moment due to revolving electron and angular momentum of the electron. As the value of magnetic moment is 1 upon 2 e omega r square and the value of angular momentum is m omega r square, we have found that magnetic moment of an atom due to revolving electron is 1 upon 2 e omega r square and the value of mvr is equal to m omega r square. Therefore, on cancelling common factors, this become e upon 2m, as the value of e is 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 19 coulomb and the value of m is 9 into 10 raised power minus 31 kilogram. On solving this we find the value of gyromagnetic ratio is equal to 8.8 into 10 raised power 10 coulomb per kilogram.